Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you several different ways to make DIY miniature candy bar squishies and bubblegum squishy. If you like squishies, click that like button. Leave me a comment with which one is your favorite. If you'd like to see more fun DIY videos, please click that subscribe button. The first candy bar squishy will be a Reese's peanut butter cup. For this one, I'm going to use a Reese's peanut butter cup that came in a single pack and just carefully start opening it up. I didn't open mine up all the way on the sides, I just left those the way they were, just enough so I could get out the Reese's peanut butter cup. Once it was out, I just washed the inside of the package out. For the next part, you will need some round applicator sponges like these. Take 2 of the sponges and hot glue them together. Next, I just place the sponges inside of the wrapper. Then I hot glue the wrapper back together. Here is my Reese's peanut butter squishy once I was done. The next idea will be a miniature Snickers squishy. For this one, I'm going to use a piece of memory foam. I started by placing a mini Snickers bar onto the piece of memory foam and marking off how big it was and then cutting that out. Once that piece was cut out, I still needed to cut it down a little more, as you can see. So I placed the candy bar back on it, marked it off, and then cut that out. I trimmed it down just a little bit more so it was the same size as the mini Snickers. I carefully opened a mini Snickers bar and took out the candy inside and enjoyed it. I folded up the piece of foam to make it easier to get inside of the candy wrapper and pushed it in. Hot glue the ends back together. And there is the DIY miniature Snickers bar that is a slow rising squishy. next idea will be a Hubba Bubba bubblegum tape. For this one, you will need to print out the front and also a reverse image of the front. As you can see, the two sides are on different sides, and I will leave a link down below where you can print both of these out. I started by taking one of the printouts and putting some clear packaging tape over the top. Once the packaging tape was on, then I just cut it out. I covered the other side with some packaging tape and then cut that one out. Here are both of mine after they were cut out, and they should fit together like this. Next, I just took some tape and I cut it in half so it was just a little bit smaller, and then I started taping the two pieces together and leaving an opening on the top. To stuff this one and make it squishy, I am going to use some pillow stuffing. Place enough of the stuffing into the Hubba Bubba tape until it is full. Then I just close the hole, doing the same thing with the tape as before. Also check around to make sure that there are no holes, and if there are, just use a little bit more tape to cover those up. And that is how you make this Hubba Bubba bubblegum tape squishy. The last idea will be a mini TWIX bar squishy. For this one, choose your TWIX bar that you would like, either the right or the left. Leave a comment down below which one you like, the right or the left. Start by carefully opening the wrapper and removing the candy bar from inside. To make this one squishy, I am going to use these hair curlers right here. I'm going to use the yellow one as it is the perfect size. Remove the sponge from the hair curler and then place that inside of the TWIX candy wrapper. Glue the end back together, and that is how you make this DIY miniature TWIX candy bar squishy. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these miniature candy bar squishies and bubblegum squishy. Leave me a comment, let me know which one was your favorite. Also check out some of my other DIY videos. And remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Until next time, I hope you guys all have an amazing day.